Hey, I'm Chef Ofelia here at the Lancaster Smokehouse. I'm gonna tell you guys about our summer dessert options. So everyone's been asking for this pie, probably because Martha had Crumb Bakehouse going and she made a bomb key lime pie. Keep your mind open because this one's gonna be great too. A classic tart shell with some of our cornbread crumb in it just for a little bit of crunchy texture. Lime curd in the middle, and then it's topped with like our version of a Cool Whip, and I'm gonna make a little candied lime garnish. It's gonna be sweet and sour. It's really refreshing. Everybody loves key lime pie. I had to put another chocolate dish on. I'm making a nice graham cracker crust, chocolate ganache in the middle, really smooth and rich, topped with a homemade marshmallow fluff that we're gonna toast, and it's gonna be just like eating a s'mores, but less mess because you can use a spoon. Classic Latin dessert, vanilla sponge cake, soaked in 3 different milks, usually condensed milk, whole milk, and evaporated milk. That's gonna be the base of the cheesecake, and then we're topping it with cream cheese mousse, a little bit of creme caramel, and then a homemade milk crumb. Come and taste my sweet cakes. Hope to see you here. Come on in, try them out.